Benoit, can you describe the styles of the 2016, please?
16, it's very difficult vintage in beginning of season, but because everybody know it's big frost for Burgundy and impact a lot quantity. But most important, it's the quality of vintage, and now we are happy with that because I think it's good result for everybody, and it's good vintage with good fruit, easy drinking, easy tasting for moment, and good balance at the same time. Yes, it's like that. So that true make quantity, but the quality is keep good, and I'm sure it will be interesting in the future dinner or tasting or lunch for enjoy the wine.
So it has some capacity to age.
Yeah, I think it's not problem at all. In fact, this vintage is open now, but it's not a reason it's not possible to age in the same time. It's a good combination, it's good balance, it's good body. For me, it's really a vintage with a characteristic of Burgundy. It's balanced, it's fresh and open a little bit, but it's great for enjoy.
Thank you.
We have a small yield, but we have a very good quality. I think in the wine we can find a lot of energy, very pure and elegant wine. I can say it's a millésime très chic, elegant and racy. With a lot of freshness and at the same time a very good ripeness. So it's a good combination, more classic vintage, but a very lovely wine to wait, to be patient with.
To wait a little while.
Yeah.
Can I turn to you, Clément, now, and you're making wines in the Beaujolais. Could you describe your experiences there in 2016?
16? With ale it was more difficult, but I think at the tasting it's maybe more Beaujolais, more finest, more fruits, and the tannins are very good, very fine. 15 was more warm, with more concentration, maturation also, and so for me 16 it's a good representation of Moulin in Beaujolais.
In a one or two word, it's a more Pinot style than maybe 2015, which is a great year with a lot of sun, a very solar vintage. But the 2016, after the frost, was a wonderful vintage with his amount of sun and rain, and I think the Pinot Noir took a lot of advantage of this balance between sun and rain. And maybe this vintage will be very complex and balanced and a better vintage for me than 2015.
Yes, the 16 is a big challenge for the winemaking on a winemaker and to work in the vineyard. At first, the vintage is difficult because we have frost in the spring, and after the frost, the fresh wind coming in the valley of Saint-Aubin, and we froze on lows between 30 to 50% in the spring, and we have 18 hectares. On the 18 hectares, we have 17 hectares froze. And after the frost, it's a bad sprint, too wet in April and June. Too wet, it means usually in Burgundy it's 50 millimeters by month, but we have 200 millimeters by month. And this means more medium, odium, difficult to go to sprint the vineyard, and the vineyard grow, but we lose some grapes by medium. And after the frost and the wet, it was too dry. In July and August we have 5 millimeters in total for 2 months. And then at the finish, at the harvest, when we go to see the maturation, the vineyard, the small vineyard have no frost. We have difficult maturation for 50, 60 hectoliters because the vineyard have some stress. On the vineyard at 30, you have nice maturation, nice balance of sugar, acidity. And when I taste now the 16, the best balance for me, the vineyard have just small frost, half frost. When we lose 30, 50, 40%, is the best wine, best juice, the best wine in the cellar. The vintage is so high, too much water to dry after, can't support the high volume.
Yeah.
It was when we test now, it's very evident. It's very easy to show the terroir in this vintage. But the small hills don't make too much construction, make nice balance, but sometimes in Burgundy when you have small hills, the wine is too heavy, too rich.
Yeah.
But when you make 30, 35 hectoliters, this vintage make good balance for me, for what I think. The wine go very quick for the malolactic, for sugar, it's classic vintage. But the one, when we taste in September, the first year, after 1 year in September, the one show easy, good to drink. We said good vintage, but not big vintage. And after working in October, put a little bit SO2 on the winters coming in the cellar. The one show more serious, more fresh, more energy. And some people say it's very difficult to compare with another vintage because they have too much frost, too much water, and after dry it's not 05, not 06, no other vintage. But in the taste, it's a little bit similar of 14 vintage for my wine, with a little bit less weight, but the same energy.
Interesting.
It will be between 15 and 17 vintage to reach to sunny vintage, on 14, 16, it's a bit more fresh vintage, more classic vintage for people like Chardonnay with more citrus, more fresh. And you have the definition of the terroir with sometimes a little bit more creamy in Châtonnière, more sunny, but still very fresh at the end, it's still good energy. And we keep the energy in the wine that I like in the wine. And we try to don't use new oak because I don't want to be too heavy, too smoky, to caramel, to have too heavy wine. But now I like the balance with non-new oak, but the wine needs more time because with non-new oak you have less oxygen, less the wine. The evolution goes very slowly, and we'll do long élevage of 2 years for this vintage because the wine goes slowly but go in the good way. It's better, should better and better. And we wait April, March to taste to say okay, maybe Bourgogne Blanc, Princet with bottling after 18 or 24 months, and you will show all 24. Not the big part will be 24 months.
Hello. 2016 for me it's a Burgundian style because we have a classic wine. Quantities unfortunately are very low because we have a damage because of frost.
Yeah.
And but we have a good wine in 2016. Very short.
The quantity this year is very small, but quantity is very interesting. Hopefully, we have a very interesting balance in the wine. We have good concentration, but with acidity, we allow us to have all we need to have something not heavy, not fat. So it's why it's very interesting vintage, even if it's very small crop. It's not like 2003 when the small yield was more due to the high temperature in August and the concentration of grapes. In 2016 we have grapes with a normal concentration, but very low quantity of grapes.
So for Clos des Lambrets, 16 and 17 are the same yield. So we didn't suffer the frost. So our vineyard didn't compensate, and finally 16 and 17 are the same volume. unlike many of our friends who harvested less in 16 and a lot in 17. So 17 is an early vintage, it is ripe. We were afraid by the frost, but there was no frost. It is very, very good quality. Slightly less acidity than the previous 10 vintage. So we believe there are a lot of tannins, a lot of color, but that it will be a supple wine. So we really like this vintage, and we are happy because everybody made a beautiful.
Everybody had good quality, yes.